Hi, my name is Patrick Oltmans. I'm a physical therapist here at Living Well Therapy. Today I'd like to talk to you a little bit about balance and fall prevention. Here at the clinic we work with a lot of people who have balance issues, maybe are at risk for falling or maybe have already had a fall. One of the things that I hear as a clinician is there anything you can really do about somebody who might be having balance troubles or having falls? And I want to assure you that there is a lot we can do. Falls are not normal. Whether you're a younger person or an older person, if you're having falls, I want to assure you there's things we can do about that. What you could expect if you come in to see us is we're going to do a thorough evaluation. We're going to look at your strength, we're going to look at your flexibility, we're going to look at your vestibular system, because sometimes it's the vestibular system that ties into balance and fall problems, and that can be an issue that can affect the young or the old. So that's something we're going to look at as well. So head to toe, we're going to do a nice thorough evaluation. We'll sit down with you, we'll explain the results of our evaluation, and we'll talk to you about why we think you might be having your balance problems, and then we'll also work with you in developing a program to help you overcome these issues and get you back on your feet, get you safely moving around your home or the community. So if you're somebody who has had a fall, or if you feel like you're at risk for falls, please give us a call, make an appointment. We'll get you on our therapy schedule.
One of the things that we really want you to know is that if you or your physician feel that you may benefit from physical therapy, you have the right to choose where you do your therapy. At Living Well Therapy, we are in network with nearly all insurance plans. We will get you started quickly, and we will take good care of you. We hope that you choose Living Well Therapy, and if you do, we think that you will be happy with your choice.
If you have questions, please give us a call we'll offer a free 15-minute phone consultation. Love to see you here at Living Well Therapy. Please give us a call. Thank you.